सिंहसँग लड्न जाने बाख्रा कहिले फर्केर आउँदैन। बाहिर चिल्लो र भित्र खोक्रो भन्न पनि नसुने भएको छ, बाहिर खोक्रो भित्र पनि झन खोक्रो छ।
बैशाखको तालमा नाचौला कहाँ मादलै नरहे, नेपाली हामी रहुला कहाँ नेपालै नरहे।
Yes, the words are powerful. नेपाल रहन्छ, नेपाली रहन्छ, संस्कृति रहन्छ, स्वाभिमान रहन्छ।
हामी जो नेपाल हाँसेको हेर्न चाहन्थ्यौं, नेपालीको मन नाचेको हेर्न चाहन्थ्यौं, अब नेपाल बाँच्ने हो कि होइन भन्ने अवस्थामा पुगिसकेका छौं। अमेरिकाले युएस एड रोकिसक्यो, भारतले पढ्ने विद्यार्थी फर्काइसक्यो, तर प्रधानमन्त्री र परराष्ट्र मन्त्रालय भने वैदेशिक भ्रमणका लागि निमन्त्रणाको पर्खाइमा छन्।
हामी उठेका छौं, गर्जन्छौं निरन्तर, सीमा हाम्रो सपनाको ढोका अमर, शक्तिको दीप हामी आफै बलाउँछौं, अडिग भई हाम्रो मातृभूमि जोगाउँछौं।
लौ मन्त्रीज्यू बताइदिनु पर्यो, यस प्रश्नका उत्तरहरू बचाइदिनु पर्यो नेपाललाई।
We need action. Without action, we lose not just lives but our future. Right, Honorable Speaker. Respected members of the Parliament, Nepal's borders are not just lines on a map. They are the guardians of our sovereignty.
Who should be standing strong as the pillar of our culture and continue our legacy are heading abroad. Among the many youth who leave our country, a large portion face mistreatment and exploitation.
जसको शक्ति उसैको भक्ति, यही पारामा चल्दैछ नेपालको राजनीति। हराउँछ जनशक्ति, ल है, हराउँछ जनशक्ति, हराउँछ लगानी, भ्रष्टाचारीले कहाँबाट गर्छ प्रगति। जनताको क्रान्ति, नेताको होडबाजी, कहिले देख्ने हो समृद्धि नेपाली। गधालाई भारी बोकासरी ब्याग बोकाउने, दशैं तिहारमा मरी मरी होमवर्क गराउने र अन्तिममा उक्त विद्यार्थी घोक्ने र रट्ने प्रवृत्तिमा उत्तीर्ण भएको छ भनी मार्कसिट प्रदान गर्ने संस्था भएको छ। कम्प्युटर, प्रोजेक्टर, ल्याब तथा प्र्याक्टिकल फिल्ड त सरकारी विद्यालयमा सम्झिने पानी छम्किने भएको छ। टियुमा एक्जाम पोस्टपोन हुनु र पेपर हराउनु भनेको बिहान उठेर घाम झुल्कनु झै साधारण बनेको छ। राजनीतिक हस्तक्षेप हाम्रा सरकारी विद्यालयहरूमा व्याप्त राजनीति छ। शिक्षा दिने र आर्जन गर्ने जस्तो पवित्र थलोमा पढाइ भन्दा लडाई र राजनीतिक पार्टीको पछि लगाइन्छ। अब राष्ट्रिय अफिसर्सहरूको मृत्युलाई त आफ्नो स्वार्थको लागि सम्मान नगर्नेहरूले मलाई मुख बिगारी राजीनामा दे भन्ने के अधिकार छ खै। फेरि डिफेन्सको अर्थ रे हँसाउँछन्, बिहान संसद हँसाउँछु भनेर आएका छन् क्या हो। आज डिफेन्स मिनिस्टरलाई नै डिफेन्सको अर्थ सोध्छु। वाह, राज्यको माल गोजीभित्र हाल प्रवृत्ति अनुयायीहरूले साना बाल बालिकाहरूको खाजामा समेत भ्रष्टाचार गर्छन्।
To you, I wish to address my question to the Honorable Minister of Defense, if we can still call it defense under your leadership. Our security is a national embarrassment, and it's time that today, finally, someone just held up a mirror to this mess. Minister Ji, your recruitment process reeks of political favoritism. Are we hiring soldiers based on their skills or just based on some pitiful connections that today they have? Should we prepare for the battles with the warriors or just some walking, talking political favors? If it's the latter, don't be surprised, Honorable Minister, when our enemies strongly took Kathmandu laughing. And then we have the recent brutal murder case of our own key security personnel, which was, of course, met with a response slower than a snail itself. Was this your negligence, indifference, or sheer incompetence? If this is how we protect our protectors, God protect us when the real problems arise and we need to face them. Then we have a cancer feasting our nation for several years today. Smuggling, which has turned our borders into a smuggler's paradise. Of course, busier than the roads of Kathmandu itself. Today, the smugglers, they have VIP passes where our custom officials are just busy taking tea breaks, coffee breaks. If it's so, should we rename our beloved nation as the smuggle land and just charge entry fees for the foreigners to, yes, come visit our nation? Would you like something for your entertainment? Yes, of course. I would love to show you how neatly and tidily smuggling goes between our borders. This isn't just embarrassing, Honorable Minister. It's a slap to our sovereignty.
Thank you, Honorable MPs. Now, before beginning with the discussions, let me inform you about today's session in short. This parliamentary session will be running for 1 hour and 30 minutes. In this special session, we will be addressing to few contemporary issues of the nation. The agenda of today will be to address small to large factors that have been affecting the daily life of citizens and hindering the development of nation. Now, I'd like to request the opposition and the opposition MP will be given 2 minutes each to raise the question, and the ministers will be given 5 minutes each to answer. Now, I'd like to request Honorable MP Tejasvi Gaudel to raise the question to Ministry of Home Affairs, followed by Finance Ministry.
Right, Honorable Speaker, through you, I would like to ask a question to Ministry of Home Affairs. India and Nepal share an open border about 1800 kilometers, allowing the free movement of people between the two countries. While this has facilitated culture and economic ties, it has also
सिंहसँग लड्न जाने बाख्रा कहिले फर्केर आउँदैन